Hi, my name is Ryan Thomas, and this is Cine Rental Manager. This is our new software that we've been working on. It's basically an automated email service as well as a job tracker for your rentals. How the process starts is you go to this sign up link, would be on your website and could be branded however you like. The client would go in and type in the job name, their contact name, some of their contact info. They'd say when they wanted the job to be, and then just say what they would like to rent. Um, this would be, so this is the beginning of the process. They request that from you. And then, so it says it's been initiated, rental manager will call you. And then, so that's the front end. So then if we go to the back end here, we can see if we refresh our job status page, we get the test job. This is the one we just did. So as you can see, they need to get these things in before they can get their rental. So, account setup, approves their quote, insurance certificate, a credit card on file, and some other, kind of normal things that you would get before every rental. And so then the other thing that happens is you would get an email. There we go. Just that your job has been set up. So just lets the client know that their job has been added to the online system, and then it gives them this link. I actually got another email here. So not only will you get this data collection link email, but you'll also get an email just really clearly spelling out all of the insurance requirements, telling them who to make the certificate out to, and just telling them they should be listed as a lost payee and additional insured. And this automated message can be, customized however you like it. So if you have different insurance requirements, it's not a big deal to change this up. Okay, so then let's go back to that link. So then click this. This page is specific to their job, and it basically just gives them all the things that they have to do, and gives them a little red indicator to let them know that they haven't done it yet. And so they can go in here, and I've already done all this, but just to speed things up. But so they can just type in their billing name, billing address, billing city. They can also type in, contact info for somebody on the crew, and then they can save that. Okay, so now it turns yellow, lets them know that we've got it, we're going to review it. And so just show you one of these other steps here. And so you can have them upload a picture of their driver's license. So you have a fake driver's license right here. And let's make the expiration date be for next year. And so it'll actually keep this on file until that date that they set in there. Same thing can be done for the certificate of insurance. Personally, I know that clients will give me a certificate of insurance, and they'll come back to me with another job months later, and I'll be stuck looking through my email inbox trying to find the certificate that they sent me. And so with this, you don't have to look anymore. It's already on file, and it's already going to be recalled next time they do a job with you. So then let's look at the back end for this. So then we'll go to the info page. So we'll see we're on our test job. And so this is where you can verify everything. So I'll look through this. Okay, everything looks good. It's all there. So I approve it. And then we can see here that it is checked off for us. And then we'll refresh this page. And now, there we go. It's green on their side. And so so then if we go here, we see that quote is pending, that they'll let us know when a quote is uploaded. So let's upload a quote right now. So you just have to go to the upload page, select a quote. We're on test job. Perfect. We can type in, I'm just going to do one for this. Basically, you type in the quote amount, and then that will be carried over to an email that will be sent to our client. So I got a quote right here. Upload that. And so also you have this extra amount. So like if you put a hold on credit cards for their insurance deductible in addition to the quote amount, that's something that you can do here. So let's just upload this. And then we should get an email now. And so this quote, there we go. Okay, very prompt. So right away we get this email, and we also actually get a text message as well, just saying that some action is needed. You need to approve your quote for the test job. And let's see. The other thing to note, just that it's attached as a PDF here. Great, have that. So let's go over here, and so you can see it's yellow. And then so you'll be able to see all of the previous quotes for this specific job. So there won't be any hunting for the client to figure out, oh, I want to go back to quote number 3 or something. They can very easily view that, and they can click here and get a link to the PDF. And if they want to make any changes, there's this form here. And the great thing is it kind of forces them to use the add drop format, which we've found is makes things much simpler for the rental manager. So, but let's just say, okay, we look at the quote, think it's good, let's approve it. Okay, so now quote is green, and that's good to go. So there are some other things here. The certificate of insurance acts very similar to the driver's license, as well as this section for a rental agreement. You can set your own rental agreement here, and they can sign it and then upload it again here for you. The other cool thing is that you can enter your credit card for authorization. And so basically it has a little copy here, just agreement for them. And they can type in their credit card number and the CVV code and just hit authorize card. And what it'll do is it will run the card for $0 just to make sure that the card functions. And once it does that, it'll automatically turn this step green. And the great thing about that is that you don't have to send them a credit card authorization form. And then what I found a lot is that we would get those authorization forms back. We would have to do data entry to get them into our database. And then we would find out that the credit card was wrong. And it's just it's a lot of work on the rental manager's side just to find out that the credit card is wrong. And so with this system, you just let the client deal with all of that. And if their credit card isn't working, then it'll just ask them to input it again. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We are nearing the end of our testing phase here, and we're starting to get to a point where we need other people to try and test this themselves, see how they like it, see what kind of changes we should make to it. And so we have a mailing list below if you'd like to sign up for that. Really appreciate it, and it would be free to all the testers for the duration of our testing phase. So yeah, I hope this is something that will be useful to you, and that's it. Thank you.